everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to join a Steam group or community in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do, guys, is we need to visit or open the Steam website, and after that, guys, you need to log in your account. So after logging in your account, guys, so as you can see, there's a lot of menu here and the dashboard of Steam. So you just have to go to here to your username and go to the groups. So in order to join a group, okay, or a community. So here, guys, you can actually search a specific name of group. Okay, let's say and it's actually not showing because it says that sorry, there are no groups to show. So actually, guys, you can also the other way on joining a group is actually if you have a friends on or an adult friend on Steam, you can ask them to invite you to their group so that you'll be able to join to their community. Okay, so that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on Steam. Thank you.